So maybe they're going to ask, now knowing where your stop is at.
Right here?
Yep.
Yeah.
When are you just going to kind of let this ride out now?
Into the end of the afternoon.
Because it's a Friday and you don't ever hold your trades over the weekend.
Right.
So at what point today are you going to get out? Are you just going to kind of let it run and keep moving your stop? Or are you just going to let it do its thing, and if it ends up coming lower, it'll stop you out? Or at the end of the day, if it's higher than it is at your stop, you'll close it then? Like, what's your plan for exit today?
Waiting for a break of the 8, but it hasn't broken the 8 since it started to pick up at 7:30, 7:45.
Yeah, it's trying.
It's trying to, but it's really just basing out here
Yeah.
at like 125.44. Like, it's, look at all those pins right here to that same price.
Yeah.
So if it breaks through the 8 and heads towards the 21, I'll close it there at 125.40 versus 125.30. We're talking 10 pips here. You know, it's not that big of a deal. I'm up 100 something in this trade already.
Right.
So it's semantics whether I get out here or 10 pips lower. It doesn't matter. But it's only 10:45, you know?
Yeah, there's still a lot of
Still
time
a couple more hours. It could go up to 125.70. It just needs one big bar. Look what it did right here. I mean,
but it isn't, because it is overbought now.
Yep, it is overbought.
So